Hi, in today's video, I'll be testing out the coolest feature about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and that is the reversed wireless charging. This phone can actually charge other phones that can support wireless charging. And this is I'm going to try now with the Note 8. And this is how it works. You just put the back with each other and wait. Oh, there we go. It works. So it's actually now charging. It's charging. So this actually does take away the battery from the Huawei and takes it into the Samsung. But I think you'll only be using it in emergency type occasions. But it is amazing. It's cool. It's great. Welcome to the next generation of wireless charging. Again, now charging. As simple as that. You just have to get those two backs of the phone in contact, and then within seconds it starts charging. And something makes me curious about this supercharger for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. If the supercharger for the Huawei Mate 20 Pro charges it really quickly, I wonder if it reverse charges also really quickly. I don't know about that, but it's just so simple. Charges it within seconds. This is really simple and easy. And look, literally no wire, not a single wire that's connecting to any of these phones. Just as simple as that. A tap from the back and then just wait and it'll be charged while your Huawei is dead.